You need to protect that skin from sunburn. And also, if you're looking to increase or quadruple your collagen production on your skin or your face or any part of your body, this will be for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katia Valino. I am a Toronto beauty and lifestyle blogger. I'm not very excited this morning. One moment I want to use a little bit of people that lost their lives in my city yesterday, and for all the lives that has been lost in my home country, Nigeria. May all their souls rest in peace. Anyway guys, so like I said, I'm not that excited, but we have to do what we have to do. Thank you. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your time. If you have not already subscribed, please do me a favor and do yourself a favor and look down on the subscribe button. Please hit that red button that says subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so you will know when I upload a video. We are on a mission on this channel. Keep spreading the good news, keep sharing, keep liking. Looking forward to all your amazing comments. So as we all know that we are in the summer, if avocado is good for your heart, it's also good for your skin. If you can ingest it, you can apply that. This makes an awesome moisturizer. It will help to decrease wrinkle formation. It will keep your skin subtle. It will protect your skin from UVA and UV ray damages. So it's very simple, easy and quick method for you to do a beautiful mask that you can use 2 times a week. So the first thing we're gonna do is an avocado. I have a cut up avocado here. All we have to do, anybody can use this, whether you have dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, acne skin, aging skin. I will show you the beautiful tricks on how you have to customize this avocado to suit your skin type. So half of a medium avocado. Put it into the blender. So I have medium, 1/2 medium avocado here. The next thing we're going to be using is banana. Overripe banana if you can. The more ripe, the better for you. It's all washed, and I will be tossing the whole banana, both the back and the inside of banana, into here. Banana contains a lot of properties to help fight the wrinkles and acne. This is the paste of banana and avocado. You want to put it into a container. So I have the paste in this small container here. Now, if you have wrinkle or aging skin, you can add milk to this paste here. If you have acne prone skin, add honey to this. If you have oily skin, add a dash of lemon or cider vinegar. And because I have oily skin, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of cider vinegar. Remember, shake, shake, shake. Don't forget to shake your cider vinegar. And I'm gonna mix it up together. Ready to apply my... So we are going to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes is gone, and I am going to wash my face off. So keep watching. So after washing the face and drying it up, you can go ahead and apply your favorite moisturizer, but go light on the moisturizer. You still want the things that you use to infuse into your skin. So I'll be using the spray that contains green tea and rose water and a few drops of essential oil. I will leave a link at the bottom of this video so that you can see how you can make your own hydrating spray that you can carry along anywhere you go. Even this is my gym bag. I just took it out from my gym bag. This is the spray that I take to gym anytime. When I shower at the gym, I don't apply moisturizer, so I spray this spray on my skin after working out. So anyways, this is the spray. You go very easy and you're gonna let it absorb into your skin. So silver should be stored in a plastic jar, tight, and put in the fridge. Be careful because it changes color. It's avocado, it gets oxidized very fast, changes from green to dark color. You can sprinkle a little bit of lemon to keep it longer, but I recommend to use this only twice. So now and one more time, and then toss it in the trash and make fresh one. So I hope this video makes sense to you. Go ahead and improve and increase your collagen production with avocado and banana mask. I will see you guys in my next video. Please remember to follow me on my Instagram and in all my other social medias, because I want to do a challenge on skincare. But if I don't have a lot of you following me on my Instagram, how will you know when I pop up the challenge? It will not only be on this platform, it's going to be in other platforms as well. So thank you guys, and I love you so much for following and for subscribing. Don't forget to share the good news. Don't be greedy, so that all your friends and families can enjoy the easy and quick way to have subtle skin. Bye bye.